You're watching how Leap. Let's fix Instagram story GIFs not showing. First, update the Instagram app. Go to your device's app store, search for Instagram and tap update. Then force close the app and restart it. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom and pause. On Android, open recent taps and swipe Instagram away. Check your internet connection. A slow connection can prevent GIFs from loading. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app via Settings, General, iPhone Storage, tap Instagram, then offload app and reinstall it. Also, check GIPHY's service status online as Instagram uses their library. If there's an outage, GIFs won't load. Finally, ensure your phone's operating system is up to date. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.